Imagine a robot that decides who gets picked first for a game, who gets shown on a video app, or who gets extra help on homework. What if it didn't always make fair choices? Today, you will step into the role of an AI ethicist to find out how and why technology can sometimes act unfairly. You will analyze cases of AI systems in everyday life and use Ozobot color codes to show whether you think a system is fair or equitable. You will need your Ozobot, color code markers, and the activity sheets. We will be coding with Ari today. However, both Evo and Ari can be used in this lesson. In this lesson, you will take on the role of an AI ethicist by exploring how artificial intelligence systems that are designed to make life easier and more efficient can sometimes make decisions that are biased, despite seeming fair at first. Bias means treating some people unfairly or leaving certain groups out, often without realizing it. You'll look closely at real examples of AI systems to see how unfair patterns in data can affect who benefits from technology and who gets overlooked. Each color code you create will represent your verdict about whether an AI decision is ethical, somewhat ethical, or unethical. By comparing different cases, you'll learn that bias doesn't always happen on purpose, but people can recognize it and design technology that works more fairly for everyone. You will start by reading a short scenario about how an AI system makes choices and discussing whether those choices seem fair. Then you'll define the words fair, equitable, and ethical on your activity sheet, and draw what each one means to you. With these definitions in mind, you'll begin your investigations. You will work with a group to analyze a case file. Each case tells the story of an AI system designed to help people, but sometimes the outcomes aren't fair for everyone. Read the case carefully, discuss what the AI did, and decide whether its decision was ethical, somewhat ethical, or unethical. Now it's your turn to demonstrate your verdicts as an AI ethicist. When your group agrees on a decision, use Ozobot to show your conclusion. If the AI acted ethically, draw the color code that makes Ozobot turn left at the intersection. If it was somewhat ethical, use the color code to go straight. If it acted unfairly, use the color code to turn right. When you run Ari or Evo on the color codes, Ozobot's path will show the pattern of your decisions, a visual record of how your team judged the fairness of each AI system. To take your investigation one step further, choose one of the case files that you think could be improved and decide what changes would make it more fair and ethical.